into a game which is threatened, I have to warn you, by a rather forbidding weather forecast. The expectation is for quite heavy rain as the game grows older this evening. Mind, you wouldn't believe that if you saw the scenes from the stands. Come rain or shine, the supporters here sing in unison, and very evidently they are up for it. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Good strike, quite an alarm. Oh, what's he done? That'll be a goal kick. Just eases him off the ball. Gets his pass away. Oh, super find. Tries a shot! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Matheus Cunha. Pedro Neto providing an outlet on that flank. Shots on here. There's the hit! Bruno Fernandes. Ooh, perfectly measured that.
Well, Peter, look how far up the fullbacks are getting now. This is really high.
And constantly after the ball, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're weighing up their options to see how long they can sustain this and suppress those wide opposition players.
That pass has been well intercepted. Bruno Fernandes. Now it's Anthony. Oh, that's surely a foul. Free kick. Of true class, the breakthrough strike. Well, that was wonderful in every regard. Vision, concept and considerable accuracy.
Look, there's an awful lot that can go wrong from that range. How good was that?
Manchester United draw first blood here.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
That has been cut short.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Now it's Anthony. Oh, Anthony! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Anthony sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
And it's played forward. Bruno Fernandes. Chance for the header! It's loose, it's come back out! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Diogo Dalot very nearly made that count from a combination of look and good judgment.
No, he wasn't going to let him past. Fiddles it through. And the counter is on. Interesting ball. And again, they run up against stubborn defending. It's Rashford! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Rashford did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Now it's Anthony. Now it's Matheus Cunha. And it's Rashford. Bruno Fernandes. Pedro Neto. Great defending, strong and determined. He's a sharp little ball here.
How many interceptions have...
Bruno Fernandes! Oh, denied brilliantly! Well, and we hit half-time, so the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just one goal, and that is the state of it at the break, 1-0.
Not the most convincing of displays. They can certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence and not rush into mistakes.
And we're already back underway here. Goes in for the header! Decent enough try. Short changes him with that pass. Pablo Sarabia. Good spot, he's seen the run. Could move up a gear here. Semedo gets into some space.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
Dawson gets over and intercepts. Lamina. Pedro Neto. Shifted upfield. Threads one in. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. He's got to be in here! And that has put paid to that. Oh, he's tripped him right on the cusp of the penalty area. And the referee has given a free kick just outside the box.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
All the defenders determined to ensure that there is no repeat of the first goal. Bruno Fernandes is standing over this one. He's gone for the shot. It's run loose and the finish. Well, that wasn't too dissimilar to the previous attempt.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count. Manchester United are totally dominant in the middle of the park, a no-way through zone.
Rashford. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Throw it. Looking for the runner.
Well, it's a move of great promise, but will it really prove productive?
That's an excellent interception.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
This is a really front-footed approach.
You know, the interest value in this game might just take off from here.
Shot a goal! Oh, the ball's run loose here.
Manchester United surely have to be commended for their drive and desire. Most teams would be taking the easier defensive route by now.
Well, the counter could be on here. Oh, they can break here. Now it's and real chance! Now, who's going to be first to this? Pablo Sarabia. Manchester United look as though they're gearing themselves up for something pretty physical here. Yeah, I think... Matheus Cunha! Oh, easy pickings there. Belts one. And the goalkeeper watches it past. into the middle. And it's been taken straight back. And here's Rashford. Bruno Fernandes has a shot! Referee looks at his watch.